Hello friends, bonjour. In today's video, we learn about definite articles in French. In English, we only have one definite article, the, but in French, there are four ways to say the in French. So, if you want to say the chair, the table, the classroom, the boy, there is only one way to say the, and the words are not gender based. Definite articles in French include le apostrophe, le, le masculine noun. For example, le vélo, the bicycle, le stylo, the pen, le garçon, the boy, and le père, the father. Second, la feminine noun. For example, la table, la table, la chaise, the chair, la fille, the girl, la mère, the mother. We learn le apostrophe and lay in my next video. So that's all for the day. We will meet in my next video. Please like and subscribe our channel. Au revoir. Thank you for watching.